Hi, I'm Alison from FxScouts. Now we know being a new trader can be very daunting. It's difficult to understand the Forex terminology. It's difficult to know how to use a trading platform. And it's also difficult to perform fundamental and technical analysis. In this video, we are going to be covering how to get started as a beginner trader and how to choose the right broker for your trading needs. So first and most importantly, you need to ensure that your broker is well regulated. Well-regulated brokers will ensure that you are fairly treated and that your capital is kept safe. Now, we've all been privy to the scams that abound on social media and on the internet. And unfortunately, Forex brokers are a perfect breeding ground for these scammers. And it is very easy to be taken advantage of if you are a new trader that doesn't know what to look out for in a broker. So to check out a broker's regulation, you will basically go to the bottom of the broker's website. And as you can see here, this is a very good broker and one of our partners. It's called XM, and it's regulated by the South African FSCA, or Financial Sector Conduct Authority. And it has a license number here, which you can verify on the regulator's website. So if I go to the South African FSCA website, here is the same license number. And we have created a video about how to avoid a scam. And you will find the link to that video in the notes below if you want to know more about how to avoid being scammed by a potential broker. So once you've found a well-regulated broker, and I will pop a link to our website below, which will give you a list of well-regulated brokers, then you want to find a broker with a good trading platform. Now, a trading platform is probably one of the most daunting parts of trading for a beginner trader. So you want to look for a platform that's easy to use and intuitive. So I'm going to give you an example of some platforms. Now, this is MT4, and it is outdated, as you can see, and it's not very intuitive. For example, unless a trader had a tutorial on MT4, it wouldn't be very easy to place an order, create a watch list, or find your way around the platform. However, and this is a very important point, because so many brokers offer MT4, it is one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. The one advantage of getting to know how it operates and to create your own customized settings is that you can use it with multiple brokers and take the settings with you. And the same goes for other platforms like MT5 and CTrader. Now let's look at ArbiTrade's platform. We really like ArbiTrade for beginners because, as you can see, it's very modern and it really looks nice. The charts are clear. You can find your way around the platform easily, even if you're just starting out. It's easy to create watch lists, and it's easy to place an order and to set your stop losses and take profits. If you want more information about ArbiTrade, I will pop a link to our review on ArbiTrade below. The next thing you need to look for in a broker is low trading costs. What we mean by this is a low starting minimum deposit, which is under $200, and spreads that are below 1 pip if it's a commission-free account, or less than $7 per lot traded as a commission. So for example, if we look at Pepperstone, this is one of our favorite brokers. It has no minimum deposit requirements, which means you can open an account for free. And its commission-free standard account has spreads under 1 pip on the Euro USD, which is very low for the industry, while the Razor account has a round turn commission of just $7 per lot. And again, this is very reasonable for the industry. You'll also want to check out the broker's deposit and withdrawal fees, and if they charge you for currency conversion fees, because these fees can also affect your profitability. Next thing, as a beginner trader, of course, you want a broker that offers good learning materials. We find that brokers that have invested in the education section are often very invested in their traders as well, because they want their traders to succeed. And we always take this as a sign of a reliable broker for beginner traders. Now, in terms of learning materials, you want a broker that offers both beginner and more advanced materials so that you can grow with the broker. And you want a broker with materials in many different formats. As you can see here, IG offers courses in video and article format. And the material is in-depth and very comprehensive. And it also has materials for beginner, intermediate, and advanced traders. We love that it offers live webinar sessions, which are interactive, so you can actually chat to the various analysts online, and it offers an archive of previous webinars, which is also very helpful. Number 5, you want to look for a broker with a demo account that doesn't expire. Demo accounts are probably the most important part of learning to trade because they allow you to practice different strategies, they allow you to open and close trades, they allow you to practice on the broker's trading platform, and they allow you to see how the market moves. And you want to trade on a demo account until you are consistently profitable. Now, I go into much more detail on this topic in another video on how to use a demo account, and I'll pop a link to that demo account video in the notes below. Lastly, you want a broker with good customer support. The best brokers have customer support available 24/7 via phone, email, and live chat. And they sometimes offer account managers to help you set up your account and help you with any technical queries. So in short, when looking for a broker as a new trader, you want to ensure that your broker is well regulated and that you are treated fairly. Secondly, your broker should offer an intuitive and easy to use trading platform. Thirdly, you should ensure that your broker does not overcharge you. So you want spreads that are below 1 pip on commission-free accounts. Fourth, you want a broker with excellent learning materials in different formats that cater to both beginner and more advanced traders. Next, you want a broker with a good demo account so that you can practice your trading strategies until you feel confident and comfortable trading on a real account. And lastly, you want a broker with good customer service so that you can have your technical and account queries dealt with immediately. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions regarding how to choose a broker as a beginner trader or any other trading questions, please send them through to us. Our website is FxScouts.com, and you can also write in the comment section below. And please remember to subscribe and like.